So welcome back, Watch Addicts. It's that time again, but not the WGA time. This is an unboxing, and this came yesterday, so I've been waiting to open it up because I'm off today. It is, let's check the watch. What are we wearing today? I'm wearing my G-Shock Rangeman, which is fitting for this watch. So we got the new knife, the new watch, and we got the new mouse mat, or gaming mat, whatever you want to call it. And this is the Dodge Charger. I believe it's not the Super B, but I think it's something B, and they were made from like 1966 to 1978. Yes, I do like this car. Absolutely fantastic looking car, even without these big pronounced arches. It does look a fantastic car, the normal one. So anyway, I'm not quite sure whether they're in Gran Turismo or whether or not they're in Forza Motorsport. Yes, I know I've not put that video out yet. I've got a new video for you to see. I've just been that busy. I've just not had a chance. I've got today off, so I'm going to try and get stuff done today. So anyway, let's get the camera down and let's get the unboxing done. So let's get down to the unboxing now. See what we've got. Which way does it go around? Which way is it? There we go. So cut into it. It's a bit of an overstatement, fragile. Hold on. Was I supposed to do that? No, it wasn't. There we go. Right. No, is it? Don't know. Let's cut the bottom. Come on. Sorry. Oh, right, it is this as well. That's that. There we go. So, what have we got? We have got sticky tape still bloody stuck to it, and oh, it's still all wrapped up. We've got, get that out of the way. Can we see? Master of G. We've got another G-Shock. Very nice. So, yes, I know I've got a lot of G-Shocks. Right. Where do we get in here? Here. Actually, no, let's not do that. Just cut the bag. Cut the bag instead of cutting the box. There we go. So, oh, look at this. So, we don't need that part of it. What we do need is this part of it. So, do we need the camera down a little bit more? Maybe, I don't know. So, let's have a look to see what we got. Oh, and we got our things covered. Are you ready? Check that beauty out. That's the GWG. I think it's the B1000. Let's take it out of the box. Just want it. Get it off here. Just put the strap back on. Let's have a look. And let's check out the watch. Oh, look at that, guys. Oh. It's not, that's the light. I thought there was something else then. So, what do we reckon? Is that the right time? It is actually, it's the right time. 4:10 in the afternoon. So, look at that. bits on it already, but very nice, absolutely beautiful, fantastic, lovely watch, and it's going to go well with this Mudmaster as well. And guess what? It's going to go well with this Mudmaster. So I've got 3 Mudmasters now. I am getting the latest version. I'll probably get that in a week or 2. I have got other things on the cards to get. Anyway, it's not about them 2, it's about this one. So GWG 1001A3JF. So fantastic watch. Let's get it on the wrist. Let's take this one off. It does feel quite heavy, that, actually, compared to the Rangeman. They are huge watches, but they still fit nicely. G-Shock do a really good job of fitting all size watches to wrists. But there we go, guys, look at the size of that thing. It's a big watch, that. It's like, I think it's much bigger than 52mm, I think, especially across. So, but that is the new watch. Oh, and I actually found out the last couple of Watch Gang watches were, oh my god, and yes, I'm so glad that I didn't carry on subscribing. So, you see that? I do like James McCabe. That's not too bad a watch, but, and then that one, Santo, which is very much similar to that one. And then that was the other watch from the other couple of months back. I'm like, yes, I am so glad that I haven't carried on the subscription. So anyway, guys, I do hope you like the new watch. I'm absolutely loving this new watch. Had to get it, just had to get it. Fantastic. And yes, I did go for the green strap instead of the black strap. Also, if I do want to change, you can always get a black strap and change them out. They are pretty easy to do. What you've got to do is unscrew them, and then you've got some pins inside which you take out, and then take it off, put your straps back on, pins back in, and then your bolts back in. But yes, very nice. Tough MVT. Lovely, lovely watch. Anyway, guys, hopefully I'm going to get this other video out. Like I say, I have bought something. I was hoping the new mouse mat had come before I started doing the video, but unfortunately it didn't. So I had to use a different mouse mat anyway, but never mind. So anyway, guys, keep watching, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you all soon.